Alright, what's up? This is Anthony Catlow. We're in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania for the Stars and Stripes Nationals. I'm sponsored by Felt Bicycles and I'm a 15 expert. Behind me we have my Felt 2013 Sector Pro XL frame. Custom painted 11 forks and handlebars, profile stem, super dome rims, profile hubs, Tioga seat, profile crank arms and spline drive sprocket times pedals, same super dome back rim, profile elite hub in the back, TRP brakes, doing it. This is my cruiser with also the Felt 2013 frame, DXR cranks, still the custom painted 11 forks and bars, Chris King hubs, rainbow spokes, Tioga seat still, little custom, went from red to chrome stem with some oven cleaner, intense tires. Built for speed, but still stylish. I'm Anthony Catlow. I'm sponsored by Felt Bicycles. I'm a 15X. You're watching BMX Hood, and check it out on sugarcane.com. Back to you, Billy.